She pull up, hop out, then she swerve. Do your two-step, your little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
I pull up, hop out, then I swerve. Do my two-step, my little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
Do your dance, girl, dance, do your dance, girl, dance. Is it me and you, or is you with your friends, girl?
Hey guys, welcome back to Miss Shan's Shorty Recipes. I want to thank you guys again for joining me for yet another quick and easy recipe. Today's recipe is one that I've been making for a very long time. It's one of my favorite soups. We're going to go ahead and make the classic Olive Garden Zuppa Toscana soup. So as I said, I've been making this recipe for a very long time. It's one that many people do enjoy. I know this is my favorite soup when I do go to Olive Garden, so that's originally why I decided I wanted to learn how to make it, and I've been enjoying it at home ever since. It's pretty simple and easy to make, guys. It only takes a few ingredients, but it's going to create a very flavorful soup. So hopefully you guys are ready to get this recipe started. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, if you can, drop me a comment down below. Share this video out. Definitely appreciate that. And if you are not subscribed, you know what to do. Go ahead, hit that subscribe button and that bell so you can be notified of every time I drop a new video. So let's go ahead and get started. So guys, this is the finished product for the Zuppa Toscana soup. Again, if you are a fan of Olive Garden's Zuppa soup, you will definitely love this one. It's pretty close to the original, if not a little bit better. Hopefully you guys do give this recipe a try. It's so quick and easy, and it is a very flavorful meal for any time of the year. Hopefully you guys did enjoy the recipe. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below. Let me know what's your favorite soup from Olive Garden. Share this video out. Definitely appreciate that. And if you have not yet subscribed, please go ahead, hit that subscribe button and the bell so you can be notified of every time I drop a new video. You guys take care and thanks for watching. Bye, guys.